everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Aishwarya Arora and I hope you and your family are staying safe. So this is my first ever Sarojini haul and I am so excited. So I went to Sarojini Nagar market before the second wave of COVID and I know most of you guys must be missing visiting Sarojini Nagar. I too am missing Sarojini Nagar a lot, so I hope you enjoy watching this video. And if you want to check out the makeup tutorial for this summery and colorful look, do check it out on my shorts. It's up there. So the 2021 summer collection at Sarojini Nagar was bomb and I have a lot of amazing stuff with me. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon right next to it so that you will get updated whenever I post my next video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, guys. I'm most active there. You can also connect with me on my Facebook page and I link all my social medias in the description box below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'll show you all the clothes first and then the accessories and then footwear lately. So I'll start with my best buy and favorite dress. This is a leopard print dress. I mean, just look at this, man. This is a long dress and this was love at first sight, trust me. The couture is so good. It's satin actually. The print is brilliant. This dress has straps that are adjustable, which is a great thing, and it has a seamless chain at the back as well. I hope you can see the chain. There is a frill thing going on in the middle of the front, like here is the frill, and as we go downwards it has a slit here on the front, which gives it a very bold look. That is the thing I love about this dress. You won't believe the price is just rupees 400. Like, getting almost a designer dress at this price is great, and this is the best thing that I have got from Sarojini Nagar up until now. This is a real masterpiece. Also, I look a little taller in this dress because it's a full length gown or dress, and full length dresses makes you look a little bit taller, so that's a plus point. Next are these white denim shorts. I wanted to buy white denim shorts since so long and I got the best pair of it. So this is so good. It is very high-waisted and these are the most high-waisted shorts I've ever had, and the material is great. It is stretchable and these are not at all see-through because white clothes are really see-through, but this is not, which is great. It has 4 pockets, 2 on the front and 2 on the back, and it is folded from here, which makes it look more stylish and cute. So this is just for rupees 100. Can you imagine? It's a great deal, right? These shorts are really amazing. I mean, it's hard to find a good pair of stretchable and comfortable shorts at Sarojini Nagar, and this is stretchable and comfortable both, so I like these shorts a lot. Especially these are in my size, that is 30, and getting 30 waisted shorts at Sarojini Nagar is quite difficult because they only have 24, 26, max to max 28. Good pair of shorts I'm talking about. They have in plus sizes as well, but I don't see stretchable shorts there, so getting one is really hard. These shorts literally go with everything. Next we have these 2 smoked tube tops, and I got both of them from the same shop. The first one is blue and white smoked tube top, and the material is pretty nice. As we know that smoked tops are stretchable, so it fits me really well. Not at all uncomfortable. These are really comfortable. These look really cute in summers. This is a little bit frilled from the end. This smoked tube top in the color pale turquoise, and it has a really beautiful flowery and leafy print going on. It also has 4 buttons on the front. They are stitched just for style, and this is really comfortable. I got both of them for just rupees 450, which means each one of it for rupees 225, and I think it's great. Next I have this black jumpsuit with white polka dots, which you can see it's a short jumpsuit, and it has straps that are adjustable, which is great, and it has buttons on the front, doesn't open, just for style, but it does not has any chain, neither on the front nor on the back, and I get to wear it just the way it is from here, but I do not face any trouble wearing this because it's slightly loose for me and looks almost like a dress when I wear it. It does not has any pockets, but it's okay, I don't really get bothered by that. Polka dots are in trend right now and look really cute. It has a frill thing going on the neckline. I hope you can see it is on the both sides, front and the back, and it is just for rupees 200 and I love it. Jumpsuits look really cute in summers. Moving on, we have this black wraparound skirt. It has a really pretty pink leafy print on it. It has two straps on both the ends, so you can just wrap it around your waist and tie it accordingly. It has really pretty frill on the end like this, and it was just for rupees 150, and this is great. It is short from the sides and longer from the middle part, so when you wrap it around it looks stunning. We have this really pretty white shrug. It has short sleeves like this, and it has a really pretty mauve flower print on it. It has elastic on its waist, and I hope you can see it. Also, it has two straps on both the sides on the front to tie a knot here like this. It is shorter from the front and longer from the back, so it looks really pretty, and it was just for rupees 100 and it's worth it. Next we have this satin night suit. This is the shirt and these are the shorts. This is in the color peach, and I got this just for rupees 350. These night suits are so in trend right now, and it has a black piping here on the shirt and on the shorts as well. There was fixed price, so we couldn't bargain there. This is in the size L, and I wanted to buy the size M, but the shorts of it were a little smaller, so the material is non-stretchable. It is satin, so why to take a risk. The shorts does not has any pockets. There is only one pocket on the shirt here, and I guess this is an okayish night suit, not that great, but it's okay in the price 350. Like getting a satin night suit in 350 rupees is okay. We have another nightwear. This is a night dress, a satin dress, and it has very cute teddy bears and stars and moon all over it, and it says good night. It is of off-white color. This was just for rupees 100. Can you believe it? It is of full sleeves, and the fabric is nice, and it has a pocket here, and there are plain borders on both the sleeves and on the collar. It has really good quality buttons, and these really get open, not just for style, and it also has a slit on both the sides like this, and it looks really cute and comfy. Now comes the scarves. I got 3 scarves. 2 of them are satin and 1 is cotton. So the first one is this black and white striped satin scarf. It has a really abstract colorful print. It is a quite long scarf. It is a rectangular scarf, and this has really colorful, eye-catchy abstract print. It looks really pretty and unique. Satin scarves are the trend, and this one is really pretty. You can wear it as a top or however you like it. Next we have this blue and pink scarf. This is a square scarf. It is also satin, and this also has such unique print, and it looks really cute, and you can style it however you want. and this material is so good. Next is this very pretty blue and green cotton scarf. It has a really pretty parrot print on it. There is something written here as well which I cannot spell and this looks really cute. This is also a rectangular scarf. It's quite long and this has tassels on both the ends like this, and it gives full on boho vibes. I got all three of them from the same shop and each one of it is just for rupees 60. Can you believe it? Just for rupees 60. Getting satin scarves in 60 rupees is great. Moving on to accessories, I have a lot of things. First is this white belt. It's a really cute basic white belt. Let me tell you, I love the color white. So it has a really cute golden buckle and some detailing on the end, this golden thing, and it's of good quality. Like this was just for rupees 100 and in 100 rupees this belt is great. I wanted to buy a white belt. Moving on, we have 4 pair of shades and these are the first one, the white shades, and it has brown tinted glasses which are darker from here and lighter from the downward part, and it also has some glass detailing on the side. These shades give full on Kim K vibes. She wear these kind of white oversized glasses, and white shades are in trend right now, so I got these are really good. Next are these shades. It has a white frame and two-tone tinted glasses, blue and white. It also has some detailing on the side, like here is the golden rim and green and red something detailing. This looks stunning. Like, see this, it looks really good, like full vacation vibes, and it is actually matching my outfit. Next are these. It has golden rim and brown and pink tinted glasses. It has some really nice detailing here and it looks amazing. These kind of shades are always in trend and looks really stunning. I love these shades a lot. Here is this detailing which looks really nice. Next are these black ones. I don't know how are they looking brown on the camera, maybe because of the lighting, but these are actually black, and it has really pretty silver detailing on both the sides which looks really stunning. Let me wear it. It is a full plastic frame. I don't know how is this looking on the camera, but it actually looks black. I really like these shades. All 4 of them are from the same shop and these are for rupees 200 each. That is 800 for all 4 of them. Now coming on to jewelry, I have a lot of it. So here are 2 neck pieces. The first one is this. This looks really pretty and it gives full on Banjara vibes. These are some leather strings and here's the lock. This looks really pretty when you wear something ethnic. Next is this bright yellow neck piece. It's quite a long neck piece actually. It has big beads on the downward part and smaller ones on the upper part. Here is the lock and this looks really pretty in summers, and the neck pieces are pretty cheap. These are just for rupees 50 each and 100 for both of them. Now comes the earrings. I have 9 pair of it. So the first one is this shell hoops. This is how it looks, and I hope you all have seen these earrings on Instagram pages. These are really in trend right now. This is how they are gonna look, really trendy and pretty. Next are these pearl golden hoops. This is how it looks. The rim is golden, and I hope you have seen these hoops on Instagram pages as well. This looks really pretty. Actually, I got a smaller one of this. These are silver and it has a bigger pearls than the other one. This is how it is gonna look. Next are these shell and silver beads earrings. These look great with both Indian and ethnic outfits. Next are these silver junk earrings. It says Musafir, and I saw the same earrings on Instagram and it was quite expensive, and I got these in a cheaper price. Let me tell you, all the earrings I have shown and I am gonna show are for 30 rupees each. Like, so cheap and yet trending. Next are these boho earrings with tassels, and it also has some beads here, and here is some bamboo effect, and this is golden detailing, and these look so pretty and gives such boho vibes. This is how they are gonna look, like really boho vibes. Next are these green and blue earrings. This is how they look, and it has some feathers, green and blue feathers here, and there are some beads. Next are these yellow beaded earrings. These look really cute. This is how they are gonna look, gives such summery and colorful vibe. Next are these really cute pink boho earrings. These also have tassels here and a very cute different sized pink beads of different tones. Now we have footwear. I have 3 pair of it. So the first one is this very pretty yellow sliders, and it has sunflower on it, and it is square from here, which makes it look really classy. And all the footwear I'm gonna show are of 39 size because that's the size I wear. These look really cute in summers, especially the color yellow. I saw a similar pair of footwear on Myntra from the brand Dressberry, and these look exactly similar. Those were quite expensive, and all the footwear I'm gonna show is of rupees 200 each, and these are really comfortable pair of footwear. Next are these sliders in the color pale turquoise. It has a really pretty and cute small hearts on it, and the strap is a little bit transy that you can see. These are really comfortable sliders. Last but not least, we have these brown tie strap flats, and this is something velvety and it is really comfortable, and these look so trendy and cute. These remind me of the cartoon Ninja Hattori. So this is pretty much it for the video, and my favorite from this haul is the leopard print dress. Do tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite dress, earring, footwear, anything that you like. So some of you guys commented on my previous video that I should do a food challenge and a tan removal video and how to get rid of pimples. I would love to make the videos that are gonna help you, and if you enjoy watching food challenges, I would love to do that. But let me know in the comment section if you guys are really interested to watch it. If you liked watching this, so like this video, share this video with your friends and family. It would mean a lot to me, and I am so grateful. See you in the next video. Bye. Stay tuned for more content.